Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the HG Christmas Garland, and if you like, a wreath garland set. It is so decorating with nice and shiny LED warm white lights. Beautiful, brilliant LEDs in a warm white shining. Yeah. And it has a long-ranged 5-meter long Christmas garland. It will look great above your fireplace, mantelpiece, hearth, or staircase. Or we are going to assemble it on a furniture, because I will like it, but this later. With 370 PVC pine needles, with berries and bubbles, and 100 warm white LED spots for indoor and outdoor use, because it is waterproof. With 18 snowflakes, with 10 golden and 10 silver Christmas ball. A garland is a decorative wreath or cord typically used at festive occasions, which can be hung around a person's neck or on inanimate objects like Christmas trees, furniture, or other things. Originally, garlands were made of flowers or leaves, but in this century we are in, this is made of a little bit of a nice plastic, and so it doesn't go well, because of the long life of this product. So that means you have the LEDs on top of your garland, and this will illuminate so much beautiful lights in this mix of nice and easy colors, snowflakes, butterflies, red and yellow colors, etc. Now let's go to a furniture and wrap it around this furniture. As you can see, it is really nice and beautiful. Really, I like it so much. It looks so good, and it makes a Christmas feeling of you or in you. You can see the 5 meters are enough to go around all of the surface of the furniture. And here you can see the nice Christmas glasses. You can see the LED spots. You can see the butterflies, everything. And this looks so decorating, so beautiful. I am speechless, really. This is nice, as you can see. Nice color, nice quality, nice durability, and this is awesome. So there it is. This is a Christmas garland with 100 LED spots and so many decorating things. Here you can see how I use the power supply. It is easy to dip in and dip out, and now it is so nice. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Soon. Wow, delicious, beautiful.